So here's the tart that we made earlier. It's an apple raspberry tart. It's been cooling. Based on what I'm feeling here, it is cooled. So that's great. And so now I'm gonna cut into it. Right up so you guys can see it. So yeah, it's a pastry. Love the lights in the back. Thank you so much. So I'm just gonna cut a square. Let me open it. Do one of those like Food Network things where like they open up the cookie or the cake. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm still figuring out like this camera, like where to put the thing so you guys can see the full image. I think over here is great. Okay, perfect. You guys see that? And it just a little closer so you can see more of the details. Looks awesome. So I'm going to cut, do I want a corner piece or a middle piece? The cross section. Oh, the cross section, yes. That is what they call it. Thank you, Hookup. And thank you also for liking my cross section. Okay, so I'm gonna do a middle piece because I will still be able to get filling and crust. And crust is my favorite. Look at this cross section. This is a really pretty one. Because you can see some apples right there underneath the pastry. I'm going to cut this in half. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to get a little plate. And try it. Actually, do I even need a plate? I can just use this off of this. So here we go. I'm going to try this piece. And it doesn't have a lot of like structural integrity, lol. It does break, but like as long as you hold it like this, that's good. And then I do want to show you guys the bottom. Actually, I haven't even looked at the bottom. Ooh, the bottom looks nice. This is what the bottom looks like. It almost looks like a cookie.